Yeah,
Okay.
today concept name is dynamic handling file system concept. Very, very important
Okay.
concept in Java. The concept name is
Yes.
dynamic handling file system.
Okay.
Concept name is dynamic handling file system. Today concept name is dynamic handling file system.
Yes.
So
Yes.
first of all, we should know flat file. First of all, we should know flat file. What do you mean by flat file? Flat file is nothing but it doesn't have any predefined format. It doesn't have any
Okay.
predefined format. It
Okay.
doesn't
Okay.
have any predefined format. It doesn't have any
Okay.
predefined format. It doesn't have any predefined format. That is called flat file. Flat file is nothing but
Okay.
it doesn't have any predefined format. So
Okay.
if you want to work with the file system, first of
Okay.
all, if you want to work with the file system concept, so we should know what is file system. So
Okay.
if you want create, if you want create new file in file system,
Okay.
if you want create new file in file system, or under, if you want write the data into the file system, if you want write the data into the file system,
Okay.
and if you want read the data from file system,
Okay.
we will use
Okay.
file system concept.
Okay.
Okay, if you want create
Yes.
a new file in file system, and if you want to write the data into the file system, and if you want to read the data from file system, we will use file
Use
system
the
concept.
system concept.
So
Yes, sir.
without going to D drive or E drive or F drive, whatever it is, just
Okay.
through code, we can create a new
Okay.
file in D
Right.
colon, and we can write the
Okay.
data into the D colon particular file, and we can get the
Okay.
data from
Access
that
system.
particular file. That is
Okay.
called dynamic handling file system concept. Without
Yes.
going to D drive or E drive, so through code we can
Okay.
create a new file in file system, and we can write the
Okay.
data into the file system, and we can get
Okay.
the data from file system. We will
Access
use
system.
file
Yes.
system concept.
Yes.
For that we are using five predefined classes. For that we are using five
Okay.
predefined classes. For that we are using
Okay.
five predefined classes. One is file. One is file.
File. Yes.
File is used for create a new file. We
Okay.
can create a new file. We can
New
create
file.
a new file. Next, file writer. Next, file writer. We have file writer
Okay.
option. We can create,
Okay.
we can write the data. Using this
Yes.
predefined class, we can write the data into the file system.
Okay.
Only if you write file writer, it will not write the data into the file system. So compulsory we
Okay.
need to take the reference of buffer writer.
Okay.
Only if you write file writer, it will not write the data into the file system. Compulsory we need to take the reference of buffered writer. Then
Buffer.
only we can able to write the data into the file system.
Right. Yes.
So compulsory we need to take the reference of buffer writer.
Reference.
Then only we can able to write the data into the file system. Okay, file is used
Yes.
for create a new file. File
Right.
writer
Writer.
is
Will
used for we can write. So we can
Okay.
write, but still it will not write. So compulsory we need to take the reference of buffer writer. Then only we can able to write the data into the file system.
Okay. Yes.
Next, file reader. File reader is used for we can get the or read the data from file system.
Okay.
We can read the data from file system
Files.
FS. And
Okay.
only if you write file reader, it will not read the data from file system. Compulsory, we need to take the
Okay.
reference of buffered reader.
Buffer read. Okay. Yes.
Buffered reader.
Reader.
Then only we can read the data from file system.
Yes.
Compulsory, we need to take the reference of buffer reader. Then only we can read the
Okay.
data from file
Read the
system.
data
That is
from
the
file
concept
system.
to
Yes.
dynamic handling file system concept. It's very, very important
Okay.
concept too. So
Yes.
if we want to create a new file in file system, if we want to write the
Okay.
data into the file system, if we want to
Yes.
get the data from file system, we will use file
Okay.
system concept too. For that, we are using 5 predefined classes. One is file,
Okay.
second one is file writer, second one
Uh,
file writer,
uh,
third one is buffer writer, fourth
Reader.
one is file reader, and fifth one is buffer reader. Using
Buffer
these
reader. Okay.
predefined classes, we can
Yes.
create the file in file system, we can write the data into the file system, we can get the data from file
Okay.
system. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, right. Next. So how we can write the code, we will discuss now.
Okay.
Go to Eclipse. Now, yeah, go to Eclipse.
Okay.
Just take the new
Okay.
project, Java project. Click on next. And giving project name is something Java.
Okay.
Now I'm taking one class.
Okay.
Go to SRC and take the new class. New class.
Yes.
Class name is file system.
Okay.
Keep the mark public static void main. Click on
Okay.
finish.
Yes.
So if you want maximize a size, then Windows preferences, general, appearance, color and fonts.
Yes.
Go to Java, edit. Actually, it's 10. I'm giving 18. Click on OK.
Okay.
Apply. Okay.
Yes.
So now, first of all, we need to create the file in file system. So write the code.
Okay.
File reference name F equal to new file. File F equal to new
Okay.
file. So
New file. Yes.
just where you want that file. So just give the
Okay.
path in D colon
Okay.
mm, Hyderabad dot text.
Okay.
I want to create a new file in
Detail.
D drive Hyderabad dot
Okay.
text. So
Okay.
next F dot create new file.
Okay. Yes.
So file will be created.
Okay.
Okay. Next file writer.
File.
File writer.
Okay.
FW equal new file writer.
Okay. New
New
file.
file writer and path. Just give the path. Same path.
Okay.
D colon HYD dot text.
Okay. Yes.
So we can create the file, and we can, if you write only file writer, you can't write the data into the file system. Compulsory we need to take the reference of buffer writer.
Okay, yes.
Word
Buffer writer.
F4. So if you write only
Okay.
file writer, we can't write the data into the
Okay. Into the file
system. So if you
system.
want to write
Yes.
the data into the file system, compulsory we need to take the reference of buffer writer. So that's the reason
Okay.
buffer writer BW equal to new buffer writer.
Okay. Yes.
BW equal new buffer writer FW I'm giving. So I'm giving
Okay.
the connection to FW to
BW.
BW.
Buffer writer.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Next, only with the reference of buffer writer only we can write the data into the file system. So BW
Okay.
dot write,
Okay.
right. Hi madam. Okay, this is the text document. So if you
Okay.
want to write next line, simply we can write
Okay.
BW dot
BW dot right. Okay.
new line.
Okay.
You will, it will
Okay.
write next line.
Okay.
BW dot write.
Okay. Right.
Happy weekend.
Okay.
Okay. And if you want write the data, still if you want write in next line BW dot
Mm. Right. New dot new line.
new line.
Okay.
And so if you want to hold the data, just here we will write BW dot flush. Flush is used
Okay.
for it can hold the data. Otherwise, it cannot hold the data. So compulsory we need to write the flush. So
Okay.
flush is used for it can hold the data. Compulsory we need to write
Okay.
flush. Flush. Without flush,
Okay.
it cannot hold the data. Compulsory we need to
Okay.
write flush.
BW dot. Okay. Yes.
But import the statement file writer.
Okay.
File writer Java IO. File writer Java IO. Buffer writer Java IO.
Okay.
Now it will show you underlines. This is
And
yesterday I
okay.
told you exception handling. Except throws is
Yes.
used for it can handle the
Okay.
thousands of throws at a time. So here
Okay.
it is
Yes.
showing 1, 2, 3, 4,
3,
5,
4,
6, 7.
6.
It is showing
Okay.
7 throws. So add
Okay.
throws. IO
Okay.
just IO exception.
Okay.
So if you click on run, so it will create new
Okay.
file in file system and it can write
Okay.
the data into the file system. Save,
Okay.
click on run
Okay.
and go and check it. Go to D colon
Okay.
Hyderabad, Hyderabad, Hyderabad. Where Hyderabad?
Okay.
Hi,
Yes.
madam. Happy weekend. Are you getting
Yes.
ma?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. I
Okay.
wrote. Without flush, it cannot hold the data. Already I told you. But
Okay.
just remember, madam.
Yes.
Just comment the
Okay. Okay.
flush. So
Okay.
save. Click on run. It cannot hold the data. File will be
Okay.
created, but it cannot hold the data.
Okay. Yes.
Go and check it. Go to D colon Hyderabad. There is no data.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So means every time I create the file, every time I run the file, it will again create the new file Hyderabad.txt.
No, if you want to create once again, it will replace. If it all just if you
Okay.
take same name, it will be replace.
Replaced. Okay, yeah, that's why
It
the
will not create other
okay.
file. So
Okay.
it
Okay.
will take in the
Yes.
same file only.
Okay, yes.
Next
Yes.
concept too. So already we wrote the data and we created one new
Okay.
file in file system and we wrote.
Okay.
So I
Yes.
want to get the data from file system. So I want to read the data.
Okay.
So how? How?
Read that. Yes.
Just
Yes.
file reader
Buffer reader. Okay.
fr equal to
Okay. Yes. New
new file reader.
file reader. Yes. Okay.
Just paths
Okay.
g colon
Slash.
hyd dot text.
Text. Yes.
If you write only file reader, it will not read the data. So compulsory we need to
Okay.
write. We need to take the
File
reference
reader.
of buffered
Buffer reader.
reader.
Yes. Yes.
Buffer reader br equal to new buffer reader
Buffer reader. Yes.
fr. Same
Okay.
to same.
Yes.
Buffer reader fr equal new buffer reader
Yes.
fr.
Okay.
So already I told you boolean. What is the use of boolean, madam?
Either or means when we used to do values yes or no, like the
True
concept.
or false. If you want to store the true or false, we
Yes.
will use
Boolean function. Yes.
boolean. Boolean is used for it can store true or false. So I want to use that boolean here. So data
Okay.
is available or not. I want to check. So now I am writing
Okay.
boolean. If it is data available, it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Boolean
False. Okay.
var equal
Yes.
to
Okay.
br dot ready.
Okay.
If it is
Okay.
data available, syso control
Okay.
space var, it will give return true. Okay.
Okay.
If it is data
Yes.
available, it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. So
False. Yes. Okay.
I want to get the data from file system. So how?
Okay.
Here I'm writing
Yes.
while
Valid.
here I'm writing string.
Okay. Wow. Yes.
I want to store in string
Okay. Yes.
s equal to
Okay.
br dot ready. String s
Okay.
equal to br dot ready. Just wait. Here I'm writing. Wait, minute, 1 second. Now
Okay. No.
I'm writing while loop here now.
Okay.
WHILE while
Yes.
br dot ready. Double
Okay.
bracket begins.
Okay.
Next string is equal to is equal to br dot read line
Okay. Yes.
syso
Okay.
control space s.
Yes. Yes.
It will print the data.
Okay.
So using this here boolean is not required, madam. Just for
Okay.
already we know only
Okay.
boolean. Boolean is for it will give true or false. So we can apply
Okay.
here. So these
Yes.
two lines not important, just for general knowledge. Here we are
Okay.
writing while loop. While br dot ready. Ready method is used for if it is data available or not, it will check. If it is data available, it will enter into loop. So
Okay.
string I'm storing in as string s equal to
Okay.
br dot read line. Read.
Yes.
So it will read the data. And
Okay.
S for control space. I will print the data. It will print
Print
the
the
data.
data. Okay. Yes.
Just file reader, import statement, file reader, Java IO,
Okay.
buffer reader, Java IO. Enough. So we can get the data from file system. Save, click on
Okay.
run. So true. It is giving
Okay.
data is available. So what is the data?
Okay.
Hi madam, happy weekend.
Okay. Yes, sir.
That is the concept to dynamic handling file system concept. It's very,
Okay.
very easy
Yes.
concept to. So
Yes.
very, very important concept to just
Okay.
practice it, madam. This is one concept.
Yes, sir.
And tomorrow holiday and Monday we have class and time
Okay, sir.
will be India time 6:30 a.m.
Okay, sir.
Your
Yes,
timing
sir.
will be changed India time
Yes,
6:30
sir.
a.m.
6:30 a.m. Okay, sir.
6:30 a.m. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we don't have any class and Monday we have class. Your timing Sunday
Okay.
night and I think and
Yes, sir.
timings will be India time 6:30 a.m.
6:30.
Okay, madam.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
just
sir.
to practice it, ma.
Okay.
And tomorrow we don't
Yes,
have
sir.
any class. On the day after tomorrow we have class. Recorded file I will send you just within minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have a
Yes, sir.
nice day.
Yes.
Take care.
Okay,
Bye,
sir.
Kunjal, and bye, Ashwin
Okay.
Garu. Okay. Bye, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Happy weekend, both of
Bye,
you.
Akhil.